that time of year. You spend your days off making a path for your dog to go to the bathroom, making sure you can get your car to work the next day. It's the start of the 6-month period of what's my favorite quarterback gonna do next season. And it's also a slow time for sourcing in Wisconsin. There hasn't been any auctions lately. But hey, we went to Madison recently and we hit the St. Vincent de Paul bins, and it went like this.
Backward bitter rocks.
I swear every time we go thrifting anymore or to auctions, it rains. Have you noticed that? Like, I think my last 4 videos have had rain.
Because you're cursed.
Perhaps. Here we are in beautiful Madison, Wisconsin. Bins, we're going to the bins! Alright, last time I was here, I was high as a kite after a procedure. Hey, handsome. He was here last time, too. Well, as you can see, there's bins full of textiles. This is where Marcy likes to dig. Hello, honey. She spent most of her time here looking for clothing items and other fun stuff. I looked around for a couple minutes, started to get sweaty and dizzy, and decided, this isn't my area. So I hit the hard goods. And just so you know, I had to do the voiceover because of the music they were playing. If I run out of something to say, I'll just play some music. It's freaking Ernie from Sesame Street. I love Ernie, but he's dirty. I don't want to clean him. So long, chump. So this is where it gets weird. Marcy tells me she's going to go see some lamps. I proceed to go around the corner by the furniture. And while I get distracted by this dog here, I notice these guys here are busy working on something. And it's not until this other guy comes around and grabs his dog off the couch that I realize that they're cleaning up dog crap. And what you just missed was the dog crapping on the couch as well. Apparently they brought their dog to the store and he had diarrhea. It smelled terrible and I panicked, so I just got the heck out of there. Once I got to the car, I was thinking, man, I hope I got footage of that dog crapping on the couch. I did not, but it did happen and it was nasty. Gino's, our favorite deli. We almost rear-ended the car from New York. Oh, they're going to Gino's too. That's how you know it's a legit deli. The people from New York are going there. Let's take a look at the stuff we found.
Did you find some good stuff?
No.
I found a Pottery Barn kids Christmas tree skirt.
Found a bag of rubber duckies. I don't think they squeak. I just bought them because they were fun. A Coleman rubberized koozie. May not be worth anything. A Buddy L bus from 1981. Bought it because I assumed it would be worth 15-20 bucks. It is not. All I know is that these were worth some money a bit ago. I have to look it up. I don't even know what it's called. Bought this because he's adorable. He squeaks. It's a toy for our dog. And I found this old Tupperware toy that my cousins had when I was a kid. It's kind of like you get the ball down in the basket and then you hit this plunger and you can shoot it out. I don't know. I haven't looked that up yet either. But that's it. Not real exciting. I need an auction. So gloomy. It's making me glum. How many of you people that live in the snowy states actually shovel out a spot for your animal to go to the bathroom? Capital City. I'm just out of it. Oh good, the village is plowing right when I video.